see it with me.
Well, it's a new day.
Yeah.
And Eddie come up with really an awesome design here. How come you didn't come up with this 20 years ago?
Oh, you know.
But there,
right.
as you can see, it's a welting
Yeah.
that goes around,
Kind of finishes it off that.
finishes it off with the headlight.
Get my big old paw out of the way.
For the windshield stanchion.
Yeah, that's.
Here, let's show that from the back side.
But, yeah, see, I tucked it in there.
Yep.
And then that way it's all finished out here.
Let's show them what we got from the back side there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. See, then it glues in there, tucks in up here, and then it tucks in back up under here.
Yep. And we had been using like the mat that you put in the bottom of a toolbox or something like that.
Yeah, but it was just.
But that just looks better.
It was too thin, and then by the time you cut it, you couldn't get a real finished edge on it. You know, it just.
And then we've got the car formerly known as Tweety. You've been working on that.
Yeah.
Man, this come out awesome. So Alan come up with the trim.
Back there now.
So we've got it all fitted. If you've been watching the videos, it's hinged in the back. You don't know, it's got not a lot of headroom in there, but it'll look really cool.
Yeah.
So you're getting
letting it dry.
Getting the wood in so we can do the upholstery.
Yeah, I can put some panels on it.
But check out the window.
Yeah.
So that's actual glass.
I had to mark it because the glass was a little uneven here and there, so I make sure it fit in there. So
I cut it.
I made me a little note.
I just cut it yesterday or whatever. I cut it uneven. It fits in there though.
Yeah.
This glass has to, because it's screwed through.
Yeah.
And I need to get a little bit longer screws.
Yeah.
So when you put the.
And then I've got some trim. You can't really see it, but I've got some trim. I'll go right inside to fill in the gap. Yeah, you can't really see that. That was experimental, but it's going to work. So.
Experimental.
Yeah.
So cool.
Some of this was actually made for a vinyl top. That's why it's so thin.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And because I put them in before when I used to put tops on cars. And anyway, that's why it's so thin. So I had to make some way or another to spread it out. And it's going to work.
All right, cool. So while you're working on that one, you're also working on the windshield here.
Yeah. Jumping around.
I had to use the rubber piece that goes under the windshield up in the other building for a test fit. I'm gonna go bring it back down to you.
Okay, remember we need that little flap deal that goes, it's a split windshield. We need that little flap that goes in between.
Yep, that's what I'll bring down.
Yeah. Then I can get the windshield on, get the braces on, and I can start putting the top on it. It's made, it's over there.
Yep. Man, this is so close. Gibby's ready to fire it up.
Yeah.
You ready to fire it up?
Sure.
Change up the oils and get all that ready.
Yep.
Motometer's supposed to be here. We're gonna go check the post office.
Okay.
We had to get like a real one, I think, from back in the day. If I got it on eBay, we couldn't. There wasn't one available.
Yeah, they ain't cheap.
I don't know how much it costs, but
yeah,
nothing's cheap anymore.
No, it's not.
So
that's like I went to the paint store.
Excommunicado on the verge.
Yeah. I went to the paint store, just got some primers, some masking tape, some masking paper, some lacquer thinner. $250 later.
Oh, you didn't buy a good primer then?
Yeah, I bought the feather fill.
Oh, feather fill.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can buy a more expensive primer than that.
Yeah, you can.
What are you building with feather fill?
I had to recoat my 55 Chevy.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, they decided to bubble it, chemical pop on it.
All right, well, I am going to go check out on Dave. He's got Phantom Pete all apart and getting ready to color coat that thing. It's on the ground, yeah. I'll go check him out.
Right.
And good morning, Dave. As usual, he's starting before the camera's on.
Good morning, Bob.
Yeah, okay, that's a retake. So, old Phantom Pete, she's about to get a color coat. So it's already been painted, so you've blocked it one more time. It's even going to be straighter than it was. But we had these issues on the cowl as we were trying to fit the hood and make the hinges for the hood work.
Primer up a few spots.
We built these levers here, and so that's installed, and we're going to prime up a couple spots on the firewall.
Me and Gibby talked about we're going to put some rubber grommets behind these also, so make sure them don't rub and keep them out of the way and seal the hole.
And seal the hole.
Yep.
So this one's about ready. You're just kind of
We're getting her close.
scuffing it up one more time
I'm
and
just going over to getting all the edges, detailing it.
color coat the thing, and we can start
Finishing it
assembling.
up.
We can final assemble at that point.
I need to tape off the welting and the, gonna stuff that up in the jam there.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, Eddie calls it something different. I've always called this welting. I don't know what some people call it, something else.
Whatever. Welding. Yeah, we do that. We can get the interior back together, put the window in, got the back glass in. We found a little dent back here that wanted to take care of. It wasn't much, but it was just there it was. So let's all be taken care of.
Make her nice.
Make her nice.
Make a nice hot rod.
Okay, we got a present. We both got presents.
Yes.
What's yours say?
Mine says love from the Midas Touch
To Gibby.
to Gibby.
Mine says, please correct. Please inform sender that it needs a useful office box. And you were checking them out. Mine's thicker than yours.
Yeah.
So what do we got? Robin sent us some stuff. Yeah. Okay, this is like Christmas time here. It'll be Christmas time for him. We get his car done. Let's get some of these other ones done so we can get this one full speed. What do you got? What do you got?
Oh, wow.
Another round to it?
Yeah. Like,
Oh, we're coin collecting. Man, I'm a coin collector, actually.
wait. Oh, wow.
Hey, that's a real Morgan.
Is it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
Man. Yeah, I'm a coin collector. I want to see mine. What do you got there? Oh, I got one of those.
Oh, that's
Somebody gave me
cool.
one. There we go. They gave
That
me one
is
of those.
cool. A Trump coin.
Oh,
Another
Trump.
one.
I don't have one of those. Maybe I do.
That
I
thing's
don't know.
heavy.
Wow,
That is
awesome.
too cool. And what is this one? Put on the whole armor of God.
Yeah,
Oh.
Ephesians. That's Ephesians. You know what the armor is?
Uh-uh.
You don't know what the armor is? The breastplate of
Oh, yeah,
righteousness.
yeah, yeah.
Well, okay, breastplate of righteousness. Helmet of salvation.
We went through this.
Salvation, shod your feet with the gospel of peace. The belt
Go ahead.
of truth.
Okay.
Shield
Okay.
of
Armor.
faith.
Faith.
A breastplate
Yes.
of righteousness.
Yes.
And the only offensive weapon here,
Uh-huh.
the sword
Okay.
of the Spirit of God.
We went
The
through this
word
like
of God. I probably need to beat you with
yeah,
the
you've got
beat you with
you've
the
got the shield, and remember we were holding it up
awesome.
when I was part-time help.
So you got your breastplate of righteousness, your helmet of salvation, your shod your feet with the gospel of peace, the belt of truth, shield of faith, and the sword of the Spirit.
This is even kind of poetic. For all you do, this coin's from you.
Awesome. Open mine. Let's see. Let's see. Nobody else really cares about this probably, but you got to watch through it. If you want to see what the rest of the video is, you got to watch through it. Excommunicado. Here, we'll do a preview. Excommunicado is coming up because Eddie's up there putting the windshield on that. Oh, love from the
DC.
Midas Touch. We need to really.
Oh wow, you got
What do I got?
I don't know. It's a package though.
Whoa! Now I got one.
Oh, you got a knife.
Wow! Awesome.
Whoa. Let's open it.
Cool stuff.
Okay. You got,
Okay, I got
that
that.
one.
Got my new Trump coin.
It's your new Trump coin.
Pretty awesome.
And you got
And I
a
got two of those now.
yeah.
Cool. Thank you very
Let's
much,
see this.
Robin.
Yes, thank you so much. I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry.
Yeah.
That would be better. Here's my existing. You got a knife? Surely you got a knife.
Yeah.
We got a razor back on it, and kind of a got the Punisher on mine.
Oh yeah. Here, you take it. It's your knife.
Oh, this is a good knife. That was awesome. Oh yeah, look at that. Check it out.
Oh, whoa.
Here, open that for me. Oh, look at that.
Well,
Like
you
mother
got
of pearl stuff.
Yeah, you got to open it because otherwise it's bad luck or something. I know there's bad luck going on.
No, it's you hand somebody back their knife.
Okay.
If they hand it to you open, you got to hand it back the same way.
Okay.
That's old awesome stuff.
And the other one's got scripture on it. The other blade. I
All right.
think.
Well, cool.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Robin.
Wow.
Bev. All right. Okay. Everybody can talk except Dave right now. All right. So we got a windshield.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Woohoo.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put the braces from here down to the frame.
Get the braces on.
Now I'll start putting the top on. Yep.
We got to look for the. So we got the.
Oh yeah, we got the motor meter, but nothing to mount it to.
We got to find the mounter thing.
Yeah.
Josh said it's here, so we got to look around for it. Did you see the screw in for that?
Yeah, usually it looks like a little. I don't know. It's kind of round and got little.
It's here somewhere.
I would have had it in there if I seen it. I'd have screwed it in there.
Well, we'll get it
Well,
in there.
maybe up there. Maybe.
So anyway,
we're
close to. Next thing we got to do is put the windshield braces up.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the
And
braces.
you've got them here. I brought them down. I thought.
Yeah, and then I'll start putting top on.
Cool.
All right, let's go see what Gibby's up to. Hey, did you ever get that bumper on Joe's car?
Yes, I have.
Well,
yes,
let's
I
go-
did.
let's
How
go
many
check it
days
out.
ago has it been?
All right. Hey, that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
We need better bolts.
We need better bolts. That's why it's not tightened. I want to get some nice stainless or chromy acorn bolts or something.
Well, how
I
about
just don't want them.
an Allen head bolt?
An Allen head.
Yeah, I think, we'll get some Allen head bolts. Those look good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Have we wired up yet?
Yeah. Yeah, he's all wired. He's all wired.
So we just got to put some, I'm going to get that window thing on. Let's get that on there today.
All right.
Like now.
Okay.
So we can video that today.
Gotcha.
And let's start buttoning up the inside of it. Because this one, come on.
I know.
Yeah,
It's
come
right
on.
there. I mean, it's.
We're not starting it, but yeah, let's get her going. That bumper, I think, looks really good. I like the design.
Yeah.
I like it black, actually. But that can go out and get chrome later.
Yes.
Got
Yes,
the
it
spider
can.
brown there. I'll look for some acorn, or not acorn nuts, but Allen bolts.
Allen bolts.
We'll get that on.
Yeah. We are.
Check this out. You got a new shirt?
I know.
Robin, this is all your fault. I let Gibby check out my knife for just a second. He's like, oh, that's cool. Let me see.
Cut my.
And he cut himself. Well, maybe not. But it could have happened.
It cut up.
Anyway, we're putting the
don't let
double-sided
you
tape
play with
on the
sharp
windshield.
scissors.
No. I had to come over and take that razor blade away from him. The blood is spewing. Okay, so then we're going to put a...
Piece.
It was kind of offset a little bit, so
Right.
now we're going to put a third or second piece of double-sided tape on. And the windshield frame will be going on the eradicator. Okay, that's a kind of a unique way of doing it. Gibby's got them started here and pulling it around, but we got it lined up.
Why, is that how you do it?
I just pull it off, and
Do you really? What happens if it's crooked?
I don't make those kind of mistakes.
Oh!
Okay, well, it's kind of there, so I'm going to let you pull it off. Well, it looks a whole lot like finished with some chrome around there. We can go ahead and put the wiper on too then. Not that the wiper does a lot, but it'll do a little. All right, we got the chrome look going on in the front now. That's looking pretty good. It looks like you got the rear deck lid on. That hadn't been on for a long time. We probably need to put with the tank and everything, there's no room for shocks. So we probably need to put an arm, make an arm of some sort.
Oh, okay.
So,
Some type of
yeah.
I like this.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah, we need to make an arm. So we got, here you go.
Yeah.
We can go ahead and finish up the wiring now.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder where I'm gonna put that. I wonder where Joe wants that thing at.
Somewhere you can access it outside.
Yeah, for sure.
Take it off.
Shake it off.
All right. So we're gonna go from the front of the starter all the way back. We're gonna put our switch back here.
Yes.
A long way.
Yes.
A lot of voltage drop.
12
on
foot.
wire. So we're gonna go with the big wire.
Yep. This is 2.
This is big wire, but it'll be fine.
Yeah.
I'd rather have too much than not enough.
Oh, of course.
So I got some ends. I need to get a little bit more wire. Then we're gonna put this cutoff ship switch back here.
It's in there already.
It's in there. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go from there to the
See it right
battery.
here.
Oh, so you can actually run that, go in that direction.
Yes, I can.
And you can use this.
Yes, I can.
To
Because we
finish
got
that.
that neat little tool, so yeah.
And I need to get a few more feet. Now we're gonna build a hood prop, right?
Yes.
That's not
I
exactly.
built it already.
That's not exactly what I had in
look
mind.
Look at how nice it fits.
Yeah. Probably not. We'll get Joe's okay on that. If Joe's good with
Joe,
it,
what
we'll
do you
go with
think?
that.
I built you a heck of a Nerf bar, but this
Yeah,
is my
yeah.
invention on a decklet prop.
Okay, well, it works pretty good actually.
It does.
All right, so get the wiring going. I mean, that's about it. We get that wired and we're about done.
Yep.
Start putting the interior together.
Which that's all made, right?
Hmm?
Do we have the seat and all that for this?
Yeah, it's all done.
Oh, wow.
It's all done. I'm gonna go check on Eddie, see where he's at with that communicado.
Yeah.
Was that a redo?
Redo, yeah. Really, really important.
Oh, we got one of
We
those.
we have windshield support rods.
Yeah.
So, we went ahead and we got the headlight
Yeah.
mounts.
Yeah,
Under.
this ain't very aerodynamic. You know?
No, stick your hand out the window going 60 miles an hour and see how much pressure is on it.
Yeah, there's a lot of pressure.
Try holding a piece of plywood out the window
Exactly.
like that.
Like that.
At 60
yeah.
miles an hour.
See if you can
So-
hang on to it.
Yeah, we do a 14-inch window. We don't do a support on, but that 20-inch windshield,
Yeah, it definitely has.
it's got to have a support. So you got windshield support rod.
Yep.
On the bottom here, we use that the bolt that went in to hold the headlights on, or the headlight stanchion, and then it just kind of screws into where the
Now,
brace is here.
I put them on there and tape them together, then I mark it, and then I drill a hole in the back side and put rivets on the back side.
Yeah, so it don't slide.
Yeah, so it don't slide.
Because the way it comes, so there's a stainless piece that's been flattened on one end.
We used to get these, and you about had to have a sledgehammer to drive these in there.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
If you had them in the wrong spot, you were done.
Yep. But see, they got a little bit of a slant to them,
Mm-hmm.
and so when you put them on the frame, you got to have it where it's coming out because the windshield is wider than the frame.
Right.
Yeah, it's like that.
So push them in
Yep.
and put a set screw or a rivet in there, one or the other.
Yep. I usually drill it and put a big rivet in the back on the
I've-
bottom where you
I've
can't
never
see
put
it.
one in that was like that. I've always had them where
How did you? Yeah.
Oh, it was a pain.
The sledgehammer.
a sledgehammer to put them in almost, yeah. And then this end is just kind of flattened out with a hole in it. The windshield should be on today.
Yeah. I need a little piece of rubber goes in between, but other than that,
I'll see if we got it. Don't we? Do we have it here?
I'm not sure.
I
know
better
we had
go.
that bottom piece.
I better go find out.
Yeah.
I'm on foot now. My water pump went out on my truck.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a water pump.
Yeah, so I got one ordered. So now I can't even go between the buildings.